Next one is write the following rationals in decimal form using theorem 1.5. That is convert the denominator into 2 power n into 5 power m or powers of 10. For this first one is what? 13 by 25. That is, it can be written as what? 13 by 25 is written as what? Powers of 5. That is 5 square. That is, for converting the denominator into powers of 10. That is, here we have to multiply with what? Multiply and divide with 2 square. That is 13 by 5 square into 2 square by 2 square. That is, this is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. That is, it is equals to what? 13 into 2 square means 4. And the denominator part is what? 5 square into 2 square. 5 square into 2 square. That is, it is equals to 13 4s are 52. Now it is 5 into 2. 5 into 2 whole square. Now it is equals to 52 by 10 square. 5 2s are 10. 10 square. That is 13 by 25 is equals to here 52 by 10 square. That is 52 by 10 tens are 100. 10 square means it is equals to 100. Now it is equals to, the decimal form is what here? 52 by 100. Then how you write it in the decimal form? 0.52. Because in the denominator part we are having here 100. That is 2 zeros. That's why I am taking here decimal form is what? 0.52. And this is the decimal form by using what? Theorem 1.5. Next, second one is 15 by 16. That is, how you write this here? 15 by 16 is written as what here? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. That is 2 to the power of 4. Now, converting the denominator into 2 power n into 5 power m. Here we have to multiply and divide it with what? 5 to the power of 4. 5 power 4 by 5 power 4. Now it is equals to what? 15 into, here 5 to the power of 4. Once you see 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 by the denominator is what? 2 into 5 whole to the power of 4. Now it is equals to what? 15 into, here 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625 by, here it is what? 2 5s are 10, 10 whole to the power of 4. Now 15 into 625. Once you see here, it is equals to 625 into 15. 15 5s are 75. Now 15 2s are how much? 30. 30 plus 7 equals to what? 37. Now 15 6 are how much? 90. 90 plus 3 equals to 93. Now it is equals to 9375 by, denominator part is what? 10 power 4. 10 power 4 means what here? 10 tens are 100. 100 tens are 1000. 1000 tens are what? 10,000. Now 15 by 16 equals to, the decimal form of this is what? After that is, that is, here we are having 9375. Here we are having what? 10,000. It can be written as what? 0.9375. 0.9375. This is the decimal form of what? 15 by 16. That is, here first we are converting the denominator part into 2 power n into 5 power m. Here we are having for 15 and the denominator part 16 is written as what? 2 power 4 here. That is, Here we are having 2 power 4. For converting it into 2 power n into 5 power m form, here we are multiplying and dividing it with what? 5 to the power of 4. Now it is 15 into 5 power 4 means we have to multiply 5 how many times? 4 times. Now 2 into 5 whole to the power of 4 here. Here 15 into 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625. Now 2 into 5 equals to what? 10 to the power of 4. Now 15 into 625 equals to, if you multiply this, it is equals to 9375. Denominator is 10 to the power of 4 means it is 10,000. Now it can be written as what? 0.9375. Next one is third one, that is 23 by 2 cube into 5 square. It is equals to 23 by 2 cube into 5 square into, for converting the denominator into powers of 10 or 2 power n into 5 power m, here 5 to the power of 2, here we are having, here 2 power 3. That is, we have to multiply it with what? Converting powers of 10, 5 by 5. If you multiply and divide with 5, then it is what? 23 into 5 by, here 2 cube into 5 square into 5 to the power of 1. That is, it is equals to what? 5 to the power of 3. Now it is equals to 23 into 5. 5 3s are how much? 15. 5 2s are 10. That is 10 plus 1 11. 115 by 2 cube into 5 cube. That is 2 into 5 whole cube. Now it is equals to 115 by, here 2 into 5 whole cube. That is 2 5s are how much? 10. 10 whole cube. Now it is equals to 115 by, here 10 cube. That is 10 tens are 10 into 10 into 10. 10 tens are 100. 100 tens are how much? 1000. Now it is equals to what here? 115 by 1000 is written as what? 0.115. That is 23 by 2 cube into 5 square is equals to 0.115. This is the decimal form of the given number, that is 2 cube, 23 by 2 cube into 5 square. Next, do this 4th and 5th homeworks. Next one is, the decimal form of some real numbers are given below. In each case, decide whether the number can be expressed in form of p by q. What can you say about prime factors of q? Once you see this first one here, 43.123456789. Once you see here, this is what? Term. By seeing this, how can you say this is terminating or non-terminating? This is what? Terminating decimal expansion. This is terminating decimal expansion. If it is terminating decimal, then what is the form of the q? That is, the denominator form is in the form of what? 2 power n into 5 power m. That is, q is of the form 2 power n into 5 power m. 2 power n into 5 power m. This is terminating decimal expansion. Therefore, q is of the form 2 power n into 5 power m. Once you see here second one also, 0.1201200120001 some 20000 so on. Once you see this here, by seeing this, what you observe, this decimal expansion is what? Neither terminating decimal expansion and nor repeating decimal expansion. That is, neither terminating nor repeating. neither terminating and nor repeating. That is, this is called what? Irrational number. This is irrational number. Irrational number. That is, if the decimal expansion term is, the denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. But here the decimal expansion is neither terminating and non-repeating. Therefore, it is what? Irrational number. Once you see this here, last one is 43.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is what? Repeating. This is period. This is called what? Period. That is, it is what here? Non-terminating and repeating decimal. This is non-terminating, repeating. Non-terminating and repeating decimal expansion. That is, here, if the decimal expansion terminates, it is in the form of, that is, the denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. If the denominator is what here? Here the decimal expansion is non-terminating and repeating. Then the denominator is what? It is not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. That is, second one is neither terminating and nor repeating. This is irrational number. If you want to continue with this channel, make sure you continue to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.